Yes, good morning, all of you. In today's Excel 2016 class, we will discuss about goal seek function. So in Excel, there is a function named goal seek that determines the input needed to achieve the desired result. Okay, means we are applying a formula that gives us the input needed to get the result. That means the result is previously known and we are getting the input to get the result. Okay, in other formula what we did is we apply formula to get the result, okay, on the basis of given input. But with this goal seek function, we knows the result and we want the input, okay, on the basis of what the result will come. So let's see how it work. This table is prepared by me. Let us format it a little. Okay, fine. So let's make borders, all borders, make them center and make them bold. Okay, so we have formatted just so that it look good. Now the seek function can be applied to those cell who is having some formula. So remember this, whenever you are going to apply seek goal seek function, so apply it to the cell that contains some kind of formula. Like if I want the sum of this and this in this total, so what I can do is I will select these two along with the total and then select this auto sum. Okay, so this is the sum. You can see this is the formula auto applied by this function, and when we drag this formula downward, the formula will be applied to all the cell. Okay, now we will find percent. So now I am writing the formula of percent like equals to, each and every formula in Excel begins with equal to sign. Then the obtained marks, so the obtained marks is in cell E2. This is cell E2. So E2 divided by the total marks is, this is of 100, this is of 100, so 200 into 100. So obtained marks divided by total marks into 100, this is the formula. So the percent is 67. Once again we will drag it. Fine. Now let's see how the goal seek function work. Okay, first of all go to data tab, then in this under the forecast, okay, you will see what if analysis. Click on it and here you will see goal seek. Okay, select it. So the dialog box will appear. This is goal seek. Just a minute. This is goal seek. Fine. So suppose I want the Tom Tom wants 90% or 85%. Okay, so this is F3. I want to apply in F3, and in F3 I want 85%. Okay, so the result, that means it is known that in this cell I want 85. Okay, so now in change value I will select this Hindi. That means how much marks I need in Hindi to get 85%. Okay, so the result is known that I want 85%, but the input is unknown. What should be here in Hindi marks. So click OK. Fine. So this is the result. To obtain 85 marks, you need at least 92 marks in Hindi. Okay, fine. Let's do it once again. Click on data tab, what if analysis and goal seek. Now this time I want to apply it in this one. Suppose I want here 90%, okay, or say 88%. So in F2 I want 88%, okay, in F2 I want 88%. so now I want to change English marks, means how much marks to be obtained in English so that the percentage will be 88. So select the cell, this is C2, okay, C2. Just click on the cell, automatically it will come. Then okay. So you need 109 marks. That means this is not possible to get 109 marks, but this is the fact. Once again we'll see data analysis, this one. Now I want to change in this one. I want here, let's say 75% on the basis of English marks. Select this C2. So I want in F2 I want 75%. so what should be the value of C2? Okay, 83. I need at least 83 marks in English to get 75%, okay, and fine. So I think the goal seek function is clear. Okay, thank you.